Today we're going to start with a few supplies. So I have this garden book. I have my black journal, and I want to do like a tropical scene to use this guy up. The toucan, I have this that I might use as a border. Maybe I'll come up with something else. And I'll be using, of course, my distress oxides because they work well on black, as well as my brand new collection and my already faves, the Posca pencils. They're a mix of oil and pastel, and my Posca pastels. They also produce great results on black backgrounds. So I already have my focal point. It's going to be this little guy here, and I just need to find now some tropical looking plants here to make my collage. Well, this is an Italian garden book, so I'm assuming it's not going to have a lot of tropical things like I would like to see more in Amazon or a Brazilian kind of vibe. But we'll look through. Maybe I think I saw here some bromelias, and that we could use for our little guy's habitat. Oh, there it is. There it is. This got more of a tropical vibe. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to remove those pages, gather my supplies, and then start my collage. Okay, so now I have all my elements. Here is the page. I have my focal point. I have some bits that I already fussy cut to create the scene. So now we'll just have to play around a little and see what's going to work. So I'll be just shuffling things around, trying to decide where things are going to go. It's a process. Things can still change, but it's just to get a basic idea. Why don't you go ahead and leave me a comment? What would you have done differently? Yeah, I'm happy with this so far. I need something for here. I thought I had a little piece here somewhere. Wait. I have those that I could cut some more and make it work over here. Well, let's stick with this layout for now. Things can change as we progress. I'm gonna go ahead and paint my background. I'm gonna use a couple. I have it here already. I think this looks pretty wild. I like that. And I think I'm gonna use this one. Yeah, let's create a bit of a interest in the background. We're just gonna go speed up the video. Basically, I'll be stenciling. I always stencil 3 spots, trying to make a triangle. I do not have a professional or any kind of artistic background, but I've learned that much from watching hours and hours of YouTube videos of my favorite artists, and that's I guess 3 is the number that pleases the eyes, and if you create that triangle effect, that's good for your composition. So basic rule I've learned over the years. I will use 3 different colors, 3 different stencils, and yeah. So let's just go speed through this process because you don't need to see me doing that. Okay, let's check again. My elements, I fussy cut some more because I figure I need a little more green, and this is gonna go now on this corner. The guy stays in the middle. Some plants down here. He's gonna be behind the plants. This is gonna go now down here to frame. Let's see. That piece can still stay up there. The little forest looking thing will go nicely over here. Perfect. I like it. still have enough space for my quote here, probably. But I think I need more of the, yeah, I need more of this background here, maybe to cover this area here. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna go there and put a little bit. See? No big deal. Easy. Let's get that blue going. Again, not re-inking anything. I'm just gonna use whatever's left over here. There you go. Just a little bit over his beak. No big deal. And now I think I need to go over the yellow as well. Just a little bit. Maybe here. There you go. Perfect. Now we're gonna go ahead and print the quote and do some doodling, and that should do it. All right, now that we're done with doodling, I think I'll call it good. This is my Pride and Joy here, my little mini printer. So I'm gonna go ahead and print the quote and come back showing you the final result. And there it is. I hope you like it. I'll see you next time at my art spot. Thanks for watching.